guys, it's almost the weekend. It's me again, Bridgette. Happy Friday. We are day 3 into my open cart, and this email is for those of you who haven't clicked to get your ticket yet. For those of you that are watching this where you've gotten your ticket, get excited and get amped up. So you're going to be getting your PDF workbook, and we are all excited to have a great day. I've coached so many artists, and besides working with artists in my program, my gallery, over 21 years, I've had the privilege of, I started my first coaching program after my first workshop when I did my book reading in 2017 for my first book, The Art Cure. After that workshop, I had the opportunity, and 5 artists signed up to coach with me. And, one-on-one, my time for me is very valuable. I don't have a lot of it. So if I'm going to set aside time to coach people, I get paid well. And I have a rule with anything that I do in my art career. I have the same rule for the artists I work with. They are going to get paid what their value is and what their work is valued at, and they're going to get paid well. I feel the same way for me. I coach artists to value their art and what it costs and the time that they put into it. So anyway, it's not cheap to work with me one-on-one for coaching. The packages start at $2,000 a month. They go up from there. What I do know is that anyone that spends time one-on-one or in a room with me gets incredible takeaways. So my first workshop started this whole thing that I'm in right now, very passionately engaged with working with artists. And the artists that were in that room that night, there were 50 of them, told me that that workshop changed their life. And it was a 2.5-hour workshop. The ticket price was $125. Many of them felt nervous about swiping their credit card to buy that ticket. And some of them were like, God, this is the most expensive thing I've ever bought, which I relate to that, because that was me when I swiped my credit card when I hired my first coach a long time ago. I have never looked back with making these investments on myself and for things I believe in, no matter what it is, coaching, buying books, workshops, whatever. I will spend the money to learn and grow, to not only help myself and my business, but to help artists around me and pull them up with me. And I'm here telling you that my Empowered Artist Workshop event on September 11th is going to elevate you in your career. It's going to pull you up. You're going to be in the room with me and 7 experts. You're going to have the chance to ask questions. So stop waiting. Stop waiting. You're the person that annoys me if you haven't bought the ticket yet because you're a non-believer or you're a pessimist or you're waiting for something. Stop waiting, because that energy of waiting is how you approach your career. I don't wait for anything, and I'm incredibly intuitive. And when I started looking at the questions I get asked all the time in my coaching, these are things that I work on with people that pay me a lot of money to help them. I coach artists on how to get galleries, how to get press, how to get into museums, how to get into museum collections, how to create murals, how to work with curators, how to get grants written for them, how to organize their business, and how to have more money. I literally spend hours coaching people on this. So you have an option. You could book coaching sessions with me at $2,000 or more a month. Most of you can't afford that. Or you can jump in the room with me for a guaranteed incredible event, learn all the stuff that I'd be coaching you with anyway. And I hope to see you, and trust your instinct. If you have any questions, please let us know at this point. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. And I know you can have an incredible art career. I truly believe when I'm in front of an artist that they deserve it. They can work for it. They can create it. They can literally create the vision for what they want. They can go after it with the right tools, the right steps, the right map or action plan, and they can go for it. So, point yourself in the right direction. Put your GPS in the right direction for your business. And I hope to see you, your ticket come in today after watching this, and see you on the other side for our September 11th event. Have an awesome weekend. Take care, you guys.